Dear student, today start a new chapter, aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Look here, aldehydes, aldehydes, ketones will be studied simultaneously, but a carboxylic acid will studied separately. Look here, the aldehydes and ketones will study first, and second the carboxylic acid. Everybody, a first point is the most important point. What is meant by a carbonyl group? You know, first is the carbonyl group. Look here, a carbonyl group here, this is the CO group. Carbonyl group is a CO group. Look here, a functional group in which a carbon and oxygen joined by two double bond. Double bond, and a two valencies of carbon are free. Are called as a carbonyl group. Look here, simple. This is the carbonyl oxygen. This is the carbonyl carbon. And next, a whole this called as a carbonyl group. CO group is called as a carbonyl group. Everybody, a CO group is called as a carbonyl group. Everybody, the carbonyl group is present in aldehydes, ketones, aldehydes and ketones compounds. Look here, a functional group in which a carbon and oxygen joined, a double bond, and a two valencies of carbon are free. Are called as a carbonyl group. You know, carbonyl group here, this oxygen, everybody, this called as a carbonyl oxygen. Carbonyl carbon. And whole group is called as a carbonyl group. Everybody, carbonyl group, are present in, a carbonyl compound, but namely, aldehydes and ketones are a carbonyl compounds. Yes. Look here, next is a carbonyl compounds here. Next definition, carbonyl compounds. Look here, a carbonyl compounds, it is the organic compound. The organic compound is containing a carbonyl group are called as a carbonyl compound. Everybody here, a organic compound, a containing, a carbonyl group in their molecule are called as a carbonyl compound. Repeat, everybody, an organic compound containing a carbonyl group, means CO group, in their molecule are called as a carbonyl compound. Look here, a carbonyl compound example here. Look here, acetaldehyde, CH3. You know, CH3COH, name of the compound acetaldehyde. Next will up you here, a CH3COCH3, name of the compound acetone. Look here, a acetaldehyde, acetone are carbonyl compounds. Actually, you know, a carbonyl compounds here, aldehydes are carbonyl compounds, ketone is a carbonyl compounds, ester is a carbonyl compound, carboxylic acid is a carbonyl compound, amide is a carbonyl compound, anhydride is a carbonyl compound. Why? All the compounds called as a carbonyl compound. Look here, all the compound which containing a CO group in their molecule. Are called as a carbonyl compound. Correct? Look here, a first part is completed here. What is meant by carbonyl group? Define the carbonyl group. And second point, in case carbonyl compound, simple here, an organic compound which containing a CO group means carbonyl group in their molecule are called as a carbonyl compounds. Everybody, this is the simple part. Okay, this is the introductions of in case of aldehydes and the ketones. Look at next point here. Next point, a classification. Everybody, here a classification of carbonyl compounds. Next, classification. Okay, classification of a carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound. Look here, a carbonyl compounds are classified. Everybody, there are different types. There are a different types. This is the carbonyl compound here. Carbonyl compounds. Okay. Look here, carbonyl compounds are classified. Everybody here, first. Right? First is aldehyde. Aldehyde. Okay. Next is the ketone compounds. Second, everybody, ketones. Okay, ketones. Correct. A next compound here. Third is a carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. Everybody, a next compound is a ester. Next compound is ester, correct? Ester. RCOOR dash. Okay. A next compound, everybody, amides. Next compound is amides. Amides. Here RCO, next is the NH2. Correct? Yes. Look here. A next compound is acid halide. Next compound is acid halide. Acid halide. RCO, next is the X, acid halide. Okay? Yes. Here a next compound like this, acid anhydride. Okay? Here acid anhydride. Representation of acid anhydride here. Like this. RCOO, next is the R. Correct? Yes. Look here. Okay, look here, I'll ask you here a classification of the carbonyl compounds. Classification of the carbonyl compound. A carbonyl compound are classified in different ways. Okay, different types. First aldehydes, second ketones, next carboxylic acid, next esters, next amides, next acid halides, and next is the acid anhydride. Look here, aldehydes here, simple. RCOH. Ketones, RCOR. Carboxylic acid, RCOOH. Okay. Look here. In case of aldehyde, containing carbonyl group. Look here, next point. In case of ketone containing carbonyl group here. Yes, okay, this is the carbonyl group. A carboxylic acid, okay, containing the carbonyl group. Next, okay, in case of ester, also here carbonyl group. Okay, next, amide containing the CO group means the carbonyl groups. All of you know a simple concept of the classification of the carbonyl compound here. Everybody here, a next compound in case of acid halide. Okay, here carbonyl. Next, in case of acid anhydride, how many carbonyl? 2 carbonyl group. Okay, all compounds are carbonyl compounds. All compounds are carbonyl compound. Repeat all of you here. A first aldehydes. Okay, next ketones, next carboxylic acid, next is the ester, next is the amides, next is the acid halides, and next is the acid anhydrides. Why this called as carbonyl compound here? Okay, all of you, why this called as, okay, carbonyl compound here? Because look here, a organic compound containing CO group here, CO group, ester CO group, amide CO group, acid halide here CO group, and last the acid anhydride here, okay, CO group. All compounds are carbonyl compound. Okay, this is the classification of carbonyl compound. But in this chapter, we studied everybody three carbonyl compounds here: aldehydes, ketones, and the carboxylic acid. Everybody, both aldehydes and ketones we studied simultaneously. But in case of the carboxylic acid, will be studied separately by a separate point carboxylic acid. Okay, yes. Look here, next point here. What is meant by, next is the aliphatic aldehyde. Next point, aliphatic aldehyde. Look here, everybody here, aldehydes and the ketones. You know, simple here. Okay, here first point, aliphatic aldehyde. Here, aliphatic aldehyde. Correct. Look here, everybody, a aliphatic aldehyde, you know, compound like this. R. Next CO. Next H. Correct? Okay. Everybody here, you know this compound here. Okay, CH2 like this R. You know, what is this? This is the CHO group is aldehyde group or formyl group. Okay, the CH2 group here, hybridization, sp3 carbon, that is everybody, that is a saturated carbon. Look here, a aliphatic aldehyde here. Aliphatic aldehyde, you know, simple here. Look here, the aldehyde in which the CHO group is formal group. A CHO group means a aldehyde group, okay, is attached to directly to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is a saturated carbon, saturated alkyl group here. Okay, it's called as aliphatic aldehyde. Okay, are called as a aliphatic aldehyde. Exception, everybody here, a formaldehyde. You know, exception case, a formaldehyde. Why? Like this. Yeah, COH. Name of the compound, a formaldehyde. Correct? Yes. Look here, but everybody, what is meant by aliphatic aldehyde? Aliphatic aldehyde, the aldehyde in which? Okay, CHO group. CHO group means formyl group. CHO group means aldehyde group. Okay, is directly attached to a sp3 carbon atom, that is a saturated carbon. Okay, in alkyl group. Okay, is called as a aliphatic aldehyde. But exceptional case is, everybody, CHO group is not attached in this case. Okay, a sp3 hybridized carbon atom. Why? Exceptional case, in case of the formaldehyde. You know what is aliphatic aldehyde here? You know the aldehyde in which this, okay, look here, the carbonyl compound in which, okay, a different types of the definition. Okay, look here, the organic compound in which CHO group in bracket, the formal group or aldehyde group, is directly attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom in alkyl group. Okay, that is a saturated carbon, okay, carbon single covalent bond here. Compound is called as a aliphatic aldehyde. Except here a formaldehyde. Why? This CHO group is not attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom. You know, look here. Look here, everybody, example first, you know, in case of aliphatic aldehyde, HCOH, okay, name of the compound, a formaldehyde. Correct? Formaldehyde. Everybody, next example here, a CS3COH, okay, most important compound, acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. And third example, CS3, You know, CH3, CH2, COH, name of the compound propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Correct? Etc. Look here at first example, everybody here is, you know, first, this is the exceptional case, the formaldehyde, but in case of acetaldehyde, like this, CHO group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom saturated. Okay, here sp3 hybridized CHO group is attached to a sp3 hybridized carbon atom here, you know, saturated carbon. Okay, saturated alkyl group here. Look here, all of you, a aliphatic aldehyde. You know, older definition here, aliphatic aldehyde, older definition. Look here, it is the first oxidative product of the primary alcohol. Older definition, old syllabus here. Okay, everybody, aliphatic aldehyde means, okay, it is the first oxidative product of primary alcohol in which a carbonyl carbon attached at least one hydrogen atom is called as an aldehyde. This is the old definition here. You know, repeat here. Look here, a first oxidative product of primary alcohol in which carbonyl, everybody, here carbonyl carbon is attached at least one, okay, hydrogen atom is called as a aldehyde. But in new syllabus here, a aliphatic aldehyde definition, okay, the organic compound in which, okay, a COH means aldehyde or formal, okay, formyl group is attached to sp3 hybridized carbon atom, that is the saturated carbon means alkyl group here. Okay, it's called as aliphatic aldehyde. Example, a formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, propionaldehyde, butyraldehyde, phalloryaldehyde, a caproldehyde. A lot of the example. Okay, here, everybody. Okay, all these names are derived from, you know, everybody here, a common name of the carboxylic acid. Or, okay, this is the simple names here. You know, next here, next. Okay, next is the, everybody here, aldehydes are also classified. Aldehyde also classified here. Aliphatic aldehydes. Next is the aromatic aldehydes. Oh, okay. First is the aliphatic aldehydes and second the aromatic aldehydes. You know, aliphatic aldehydes here. Aliphatic aldehydes, okay. This part, okay, this concept, okay, this completed part. But everybody, next is the aromatic aldehyde. You know, aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde. Okay, this is the simple part, aromatic aldehyde. Look here, aromatic aldehyde is simple example, everybody here. Like this benzene. Okay, next is the COH. Correct? Yes. Like this. Name of the compound here, benzaldehyde. You know, benzaldehyde. Okay. Everybody like this carbon? You know, this carbon. Okay. This carbon is sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. Look here, a aromatic compound in which, 1 minute, a organic compound in which, the organic compound in which a CHO group, everybody, here CHO group is attached, directly attached to benzene ring. Directly attached to a benzene ring is called as an aromatic aldehyde. You know, benzene carbon, sp2 hybridized. Benzene carbon, sp2 hybridized. Okay, the organic compound in which a aldehyde group means CHO group is directly attached to aromatic, okay, a carbon atom of a aromatic ring, okay, are called as a aromatic aldehyde. Are called as a aromatic aldehyde. Everybody look here, first example the benzaldehyde and second example salicyldehydes, like the salicyldehydes. You know, like this. Okay, COH. Yes, next to OH. Correct? Yes. Okay, salicyldehyde. Correct? Yes. Salicyldehyde. The first example is benzaldehyde and second example is salicyldehyde. Next, para-nitrobenzaldehyde. A third example, para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Like this. You know, COH. Correct. Double bond, double bond, double bond. You know, and next is like this, NO2 group. Correct. The next compound, name of the compound, para-nitro. Para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde, correct? Yes. Look here, a classification of aldehydes. Everybody, classification of aldehyde, there are how many types? Okay, there are how many types? First is the aliphatic aldehydes and second the aromatic aldehydes. A aliphatic aldehyde CHO group is attached to a saturated carbon atom in alkyl group. But in case of aromatic aldehyde, okay, everybody, you know, your CHO group or aldehyde group is directly attached to a carbon atom of a aromatic ring, are called as a aromatic aldehyde. Aromatic aldehyde. Look here is next part, everybody here. You know the first part everybody, first part is a classification of the carbonyl compounds. Next part is a classification of aldehydes here. You know, simply definition. First is the aliphatic aldehydes and second is a aromatic aldehydes. Okay, this is the introduction concept of the aldehyde. Okay, aldehyde, the introduction of aldehyde part completed here. Okay, stop here.